Hello bakers and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will be baking yummy Pina Colada Cake Bars. These cake bars are the perfect combination of pineapple, coconut, and chocolate bits. Yes, you heard me right, chocolate. This is a great recipe for sunny days like now. So let's get baking, shall we? For this recipe, we will be needing the following ingredients. You can also find the exact measurements in the description box. First off, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease and flour your baking pan. I'm using a brownie baking pan, which is about 20 times 30 centimeters. In a mixing bowl, you can now combine 120 milliliters of vegetable oil, 50 milliliters of coconut milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 2 eggs, and 150 grams of sugar. Mix everything together until well combined. You can now add in the 200 grams of all-purpose flour, 3 teaspoons of baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and half teaspoon of lemon zest. The lemon zest adds the freshness to this recipe, so you should not leave this out. Trust me. Mix this all together until you get a smooth mixture like this. Lastly, add in the 200 grams of crushed pineapple and 100 grams of chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. Give it a quick mix simply like this. You guys, the outcome will taste so amazing. I can't wait for this to bake. Now the mixture is done. You can now pour the mixture into the prepared baking pan. Bake this for about 25 to 30 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. This is how the cake looks like after 30 minutes of baking. Let this cool down completely for about 1 hour. After 1 hour, you can now make the sugar glaze. For this, you will be needing a small bowl. Just simply combine the 150 grams of confectioner sugar and 3 tablespoons of the pineapple juice. Mix this all together until you get a smooth glaze. The consistency should look like this. Now pour the sugar glaze on the cake and spread it evenly, using a spatula. After the cake is fully covered with the sugar glaze, you can now sprinkle the 80 grams of shredded coconut generously on the cake like this. The more coconut, the better. Let your cake sit for another 1 hour so that the sugar glaze can set. This will make it easier to cut the cake later on. Now you can cut your cake. I like to cut them into 8 big bars, but you could also cut them into 12 smaller bars. I have now transferred my cake bars onto a serving plate. I will take a bar and show you how it looks like inside. These cake bars are so moist and full of yummy tropical flavors. Just look at those melted chocolate chunks. You guys, you must give this recipe a try. It's an incredible taste explosion. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you next time. Bye!